Today we do have a visitor, a representative from Human Rights Commission. I don't want to say a lot. Let me ask Dade, how are you and what's your name? Why are you here and what position are you holding?
Okay, thank you so much, sir, and thank you for the opportunity. My name is Tunuku Modise. I am from Free State South African Human Rights Commission. I'm the provincial manager within the provincial office. The purpose of our visit today, we received a complaint, and amongst others, the complaint was brought by a political party act. We normally receive complaints from a variety of organizations, civil society organizations, individuals, churches, and other NGOs. And in the past, we also received complaints from other political parties. So we undertook to come and do inspections today and really see for ourselves the type of complaints that they brought to our office. The complaint relates to sewer spillages in this area, affecting Parys, Tumahole, Skonkenville, Vredefort, and other neighboring towns and informal settlements and other areas within Ngwathe municipality. So the objective is to make sure that when we receive these complaints, we do not just take the complaints that have been brought to us as gospel truth. We need to do inspections and see for ourselves, so that then we can also say we have first-hand information. We have also seen how these things impact and affect communities, and that's the purpose why we are here today. We intend to compile a report after this and therefore engage the municipalities, and if needs be, we will take appropriate steps that are important and needed to redress, for alleged or human rights violations that we have picked up.
Right. If community members, they want actually to report some of the things that they believe they are not right in terms of the municipality, where must they contact you? Where can they complain?
Yeah, our offices unfortunately are located in Bloemfontein, and you can imagine the vast, size of the province. But we have our telephone line numbers which members of the community can call. Our number is 051 447 1130. That is our direct office line. There's a receptionist there who will be able to really attend to them. Those who have access to emails and those who have cell phones and they can have data, they can send their complaints to fscomplaints at sahrc.org.za. So in that way, we'll be able to really immediately respond to the complaints that we have received, and our intake officer, Mayor Alina Khompedi, will be able to get back to them and give them feedback.
Okay. Thank you, Tati. May God bless you.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.